lovely kids. How are you all? I think you all are fine. Yes? Very nice. Welcome to another session of Puchkut TV. Yes? Very good. And today we are going to learn a new letter. And what is that? Which letter is this? Letter B. Very good, my lovely children. Very good. So, before we start this, first we will do the rhymes of letter B. So, are you ready? Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, ba. To the park to play. Very good. Once more. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, ba. To the park to play. Very good. So what have we learned from these rhymes? The sound of letter B. And what is the sound? B. 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 Let's do fast. B. 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 And slowly. B. 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 This is the sound of letter B. Okay? Do you want to listen to the story? Yes? So listen the story carefully, my lovely children, okay? Let's start. The story name is Baby's Bubble Bath. Baby Bobby liked to play with balloons and balls. His nanny Babita put him in the bathtub and let him play with balls and balloons. It was a bubble bath. When Nanny Babita added soap to the water in the bath, there were bubbles everywhere. Slowly, the number of bubbles in the bathtub grew. There were everywhere, some flying in the air and some on the floor. Baby Bobby loved the bubble. He laughed and giggled. Then he tried to touch the bubble with his finger. He kept busting the bubbles with his finger and saying ba 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 ba. Did you enjoy the story? Yes? Well done. And how many words you have learned from letter B? Let's record. Baby. Bobby. Babita. Balloons. Balls. Bathtub. Bubbles. Please like, share and do subscribe my channel.